Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my vibe code struggles. I'll be showing my vibe code struggles, basically tools that I find across the way in the course of building those world adjusting applications using vibe coding or AI programming, basically. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be uh, highlighting one project that I just found that you may never have heard of. Of course, it's a product of Google. We are going to be testing it out in the course of this video. I'm testing it out for the first time within the video. Generally, my videos, I don't edit them. I basically document what I do personally. So let's go. First off, do well to subscribe to my channel and also, share the channel. I believe it's going to be productive, inspirational. I'll also be showing what I build myself, just interesting times when it comes to the world of programming, considering that we now have the ability of, coding our intent in one prompt, no code. So this is a product of Google. Basically, it's focused on UI designs for mobile and web applications. We're going to see how proficient it is when it comes to designing. I'll do a series of videos on this product alone. In subsequent videos, I would likely share it and imagery, existing designs, for example, let it work with that. In another video, I may have it, source the internet for, you know, I want to see if it can mine or scrape data from the internet and stuff like that. But for this one, we're going to just try test its proactivity, IQ, and all that. So I'm just going to say that I want you to build a $1 billion application relating to your choice niche, an app that is futuristic, gamified, irresistible, and has is basically an epitome of call to action. So let's leave it like this. I want to see, uh, its context awareness, amongst other things. So let's leave it like this. E Anyway, let's also leave a wrong spelling. So for the sake of this PC, let's just go web, you know. Perhaps in another video, perhaps we'll be able to view it also in mobile orientation, but let's just go web and then generate designs. Okay, so you will see it's a Google product. It has already logged me in. Now, this is, I'm sure, I don't know, it's likely relying on Gemini. This is a handy, tool to have in your arsenal where it builds the design. Then you can take the design to, say, uh, some of the other tools I featured, Manus, Cursor, Lovable, and all that, to build a production ready application based on your design. So here it says, I'm sorry, but I can only design mobile or web interfaces. If you have any specific ideas for screens or features you'd like to design for such an application, I'd be happy. Wow. So it's expecting some screenshots. Uh, so I think maybe what is causing this is because maybe I've used the word app. So maybe it's not very, so it's probing me further. Let's say, yes, web interface, not an app in production. Okay, so it says standard mode You can't change it. Okay, so it looks like that app terminology was the confusion. So it's trying to be engaging. Some other applications will just be proactive and then go ahead and understand that you are requesting an interface and build that. Okay, so I believe it's working. How about these? I can design a web interface. Let's start by outlining some key screens for your application. How about these? Okay, so just bear with the wait. It's not like a very gamified UI, just blank, so we don't really know what the progress is like. We'll just wait a bit and see the end product. In the interim, consider subscribing to the channel and sharing it. Also, in the description, you'll find some other Google related tools that are, you know, quite good. One of which you can build production ready apps with, all for free. Check them out. Wow, very sluggish. So bear with me, we'll wait a bit. I don't edit videos, so please bear with me. Let me try something. Why GDly? Sorry about that. So I can design a web interface. Let's start by outlining landing page, a futuristic and gamified introduction. Would you like me to proceed? Sorry about that. There was a slight delay in my response. To confirm, would you like me? So it's interactive basically. So basically it has outlined the structure of the page. Feature showcase, user dashboard, pricing and subscription, about us. Good. Oh, so you can even edit it. Interesting. So this is the home page. This is how the app will look internally. This is interesting. Wow. It looks good. Although not too advanced, I wouldn't regard this as, a $1 billion app, because for the futuristic aspect, it didn't focus on the aesthetics, like the making the design itself abstract. It focused on the imagery. Only the imagery is futuristic. Interesting stuff. You can copy to Figma. That's interesting. Edit. So you edit with an additional prompt. Looking good so far. Now, if you were to take this and provide it to an AI code editor, it will build it with ease. So another tool to have in your arsenal, it will come in handy at times. It's free, a product of Google, bringing us to the end of this video. In the description, there will be avenues to reach me as well as other resources. Check them out. Subscribe to Vibe Code Struggles on all socials. Stay awesome, take action.